So this is for tomorrow. Oh, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. This is for tomorrow. All right. This is for tomorrow. This is for tomorrow. Oh, it's okay. Thank you. So hope you guys enjoy yourself. All right. Yo, hello guys. How are you doing?
Doing fine.
What are you guys doing here?
We're just hustlers, so we just can't take fresh air.
Yeah, just what?
Hustlers, so we come here to kind of take fresh air.
So where do you guys stay?
We stay this area.
Oh, so have you guys ever taken? Have you taken something for yesterday night before you slept?
We cannot make it. We couldn't make it.
You said?
We couldn't make it.
Oh, so don't worry, everything will be fine. So what is your name?
My name is Luke.
Luke. What about you?
My name is Al Hassan.
Al Hassan. What about you? Mujid. What about you?
Ashraf.
Ashraf. Oh, okay. Will you guys like to take something?
Yes.
So what will you guys like to take?
Rice and beans.
What?
Rice and beans.
Rice and beans? Or what about you? Or you are all okay with rice? What about you?
So tea or bread.
Tea or bread? Okay. Well, are you okay, guys? Yeah, okay. So if you get something like tea or bread or rice and beans, right? Okay. Don't worry, everything will be fine, right? Okay. So let's go. Let me grab you something. So let's go. All right. Everything will be fine, right? Okay. Yo, so this is for you, guy. This is for you. So feel free to take it. Let me add you bread. Okay. And this is for you. All right. I'm not done. I'll add you something. And this is for you. All right. And this is for you. All right. So let me get you something in addition. Bread. Yeah. Okay, so, okay. Yeah, 4. Okay. So you guys can take it. Yeah, and this is yours. So enjoy yourself, right? Okay.
God bless you.
Yeah, man. All right. Hope you guys enjoying it. All right.
God bless you.
Amen. Just like he has already blessed you guys, man. Yeah, munyina mupemoko. Do you all want? Do you want pepper? Okay. All right. Yeah. For left. Thank you. So, oh, what a thing I am. All right. Thank you. All right. So, this is for you. Take one. All right. This is for you. All right. So, am I in Nando? Okay. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. Okay. And this is for. So, this is for tomorrow. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. This is for tomorrow. All right. All right. This is for tomorrow. This is for tomorrow.
Thanks.
Oh, it's okay. Thank you. Thank you. So hope you guys enjoy yourself. All right.